Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will discuss about how to cancel the Prime membership from your Amazon account. Okay, so guys, if you want to cancel your Prime membership of your Prime videos, so guys, it is very simple. But I tell you one thing, there is the no direct way for canceling the Prime membership from your Fire Stick. Okay, so guys, you need your real account as well as your, and guys, you need one mobile phone, otherwise you can use your desktop. Okay, so guys, let's start. So guys, first of all, you can move to your Amazon account. Okay, now guys, we are moving on the desktop. Okay, so guys, here first of all you can go to the Chrome. Here you can search Amazon Prime. Okay, in the Amazon Prime you can log in and sign up. Okay, if you are already signed up, so guys, no problem, you can directly redirect. Okay, here you can see the account section. Okay, so guys, here is my name is showing Bharat. After that you can go to the account and settings. Okay, after that you can, if you are logging into your Amazon, so you can directly come on this page, otherwise you need to log in. Okay, then here you can go to the change the payment methods, so you can click on the edit. Okay, sorry, you can wait, not the edit. You can, here you can go to the Prime membership, then you can move to this section. Okay, here you can see your annual price and see more options, monthly as well as annual and current price, and free 1 day delivery, Prime videos, all the features which are available in your Amazon Prime is now showing here. Okay, then you can move to this section. Renewal date is 21 December, and here you can see your membership update, cancel and more. Then you can click here, and here you can see end Prime membership. By ending your Prime membership, you will lose access to your Prime benefits, so you can click here and you can end your Prime membership. Okay, so as these are the simple steps for ending your Prime membership in your Fire Stick. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.